Hey guys, welcome back. This is AJXG here with another video. So I have a quick video about the iOS 14.3 beta. It came out today and I got it around my lunchtime, so I just updated my phone from then. So for the few hours that I was using it, I noticed I stopped having the notification bug that I was having on, I guess, 14.3 or 14.2 or 14.3, like the early beta, because on my 11, as you see back there, on my 11, for some reason I wasn't getting notifications from certain apps, like WhatsApp, perfectly fine, but iMessage, I wasn't always getting notifications. And granted, like, my phone is always on full blast, so that's one thing that the beta did fix. Some people are saying they are still having issues with notifications, so we will see once the beta is done and it's the full rollout of the new iOS 0.3 update. Okay, that's one thing. Another thing that has been spoken about the new update, you are now able to pair your iPhone with the PS5 controller, which is so awesome. Okay, a lot of people have had issues with pairing controllers with iPhones in general, so it's kind of dope that you are able to pair the new PS5 controller with your iPhone. For those of you that are mobile gamers, this is awesome for you. Also, you are able to pair it with the Amazon, I think it's called the Lunar controller. I don't remember exactly what the name of the controller is. I might pop it up somewhere on the screen during editing, but yes, you are able to use the PS5 controller with the iPhone. So that is dope. Okay. Next, something else that I noticed, because I don't always like go in depth to find out what's in the beta. I just enjoy the beta. If you scroll down to camera, where is camera? I hope I didn't scroll past it. Let's see. Okay, if you go to camera and you go to format, okay, these are on the Pro models only, okay? You can now toggle the Apple Pro RAW. Now, this will save as a DNG format, so those of you that plan on editing your photos after taking it with the Apple Pro RAW, it's going to be a large file, as you see, about 25 megabytes, okay? Most photos are anywhere from 10 or less, depending on the setting that you have your camera on. So that is awesome. So if you open up your camera app, you will be able to toggle it. You will be able to toggle it in the top right once you set it on in your settings. So that's something new. Also, with the new beta, I'm assuming I think this came out with 14.1's beta. Okay, but I didn't notice until now. Something that I did notice within the Home app, if you open it, okay, you are able to update all of your, I guess, accessories or your smart home all at once. Okay, before you had to go to individual apps to update. Let's say if you had the Philips lights or a home pod or something like that, you had to go to the individual apps to update those. Now you can update all of that from this one app, and that is awesome. Okay, let's see. The last update was in health. They said that in here you can see pregnancy, but for some reason I don't have it. Okay, maybe it's on that specific tab. I don't know, because I'm not pregnant. But I know there is a new pregnancy feature in the health application. Have I noticed anything about performance? Granted, I just did this unboxing yesterday, so this phone is performing perfectly fine out of the box and with all the beta updates, because I enjoy using the betas before they release the full rollout to everybody else. So far it's working really fine. People have complained about battery getting hot. What I noticed is that on this phone, the battery does get a little warm while you're charging it. So that was the only thing. So maybe this update, I'll let you guys know by, I guess, the end of the week, whether the battery is getting stupid hot or if it's still chilling and it's doing perfectly fine. All right, guys. So this was a quick video on the iOS 14 update. I will do another video showing the camera differences between the 12 Pro Max, the 11 back there, and the Galaxy S10 that I'm using right now. I'm going to do some video footage, some pictures, and all of that. Lastly, The battery life so far on this is great. I haven't charged it since I opened it yesterday, and I just had to start charging it about 15 minutes ago. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. AjaxG out.